Hello friends, please do like and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest update of my videos. Practice set 31. First sums. The number of saplings planted by schools on World Tree Day is given in the table below. Draw a joint bar graph to show these figures. Okay, so we have been given information. So this information we have to draw in graph. Before we start, let's understand something. Now, what is this graph? This graph is nothing but it is your ruler. This ruler, no? This is your graph. How? See, this is your 0. After 0 you have 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 and 0.5. Then 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 10. This is your 1. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is your ruler. Okay. So if you notice your graph carefully, you will see that your graph paper is nothing but it is a ruler. See, 0 to 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and all these inches. And this slight dark line, this middle line is your 0.5. Now let's see how to draw the first sums. Okay. Always use a sharp pencil to draw the graph. Take any pencil but sharp it nicely. It should be nice, good pointed and a long scale. First, always take 2 centimeter distance from both the sides. This standing line is said to be Y and this sleeping line is said to be X. So, always draw from bottom, leave 2 centimeter and draw a line X axis and draw a standing line Y axis. See, यहाँ से लेफ्ट साइड से 2 सेंटीमीटर छोड़ो और बॉटम से 2 सेंटीमीटर छोड़ो. Now, to show here, I am using black pen so that it is clearly visible to you all. From left, leaving 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter छोड़ के लेफ्ट साइड से draw a line and take arrow. Same you do in your bottom also. Leave 2 centimeter from bottom and draw a line. See, while drawing a line, simply use your pencil and draw a simple line. Don't go and doing like this, like this, like this. It will make your graph wrong. Okay. So simply one line. From here and from here. Simply one line. Okay. Don't make it dark. Now, before we start, let's understand the question carefully. See, what you have to make? You have to make joint bar graph. Okay. एक ही लाइन में दो बार ग्राफ बनाना. सो दे हैव गिवन अस इंफॉर्मेशन. स्कूल नेम, 2 अलग अलग स्कूल का नाम है, नूतन एंड भारत. एंड नंबर ऑफ सैपलिंग्स मीन्स ये वाले स्कूल ने आलमंड का कितना पौधे लगाए एंड दिस स्कूल. So then another tree is Karanj, Neem, Ashok, Gulmohar. So this school they have planted this much and this school they have planted this much. So basically before drawing इस ग्राफ को बनाने के पहले among this all the numbers, ये जो इतने numbers दिए ना, इसमें से see the highest number. So now I can see 72. 72 is the highest number among this all. So that means in this graph I have to take at least 80. Okay. Now the another important thing. अब आपको ना before drawing this graph you have to decide one scale. एक scale decide करना होता है. What is the meaning of scale? Scale means ये ना यहाँ पे top में you have to mention, and this is very important. It has 1 marks. So scale represent, this means you are showing to an examiner that how much 1 centimeter on y axis, ये आपका y axis है ना, तो in this y axis ये जो 1 centimeter है, उस 1 centimeter को आप कितना represent कर रहे हो, how much you are representing. For example, I am representing 10 saplings, यानी 10 पौधे लगा रहा है 1 centimeter में. See, it is up to you. You want, you can take 5 also. आप यहाँ पे 5 भी ले सकते हो, but it should be fixed. If you are taking 5, so ना ये 1 centimeter पूरा 5 का टेबल जाएगा, and it will go too long, बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. So it is okay, we will take 10. So 10 will be like in this much limit only. So you can draw easily line. Okay. Now when we have decided that we will take 1 centimeter equals to 10 saplings and our higher number is 72. So here in y-axis we will take multiplication of 10. See this 1 centimeter. So y'all use pencil. Please use pencil. Do not use pen. I am using pen so that you can see it clearly. Then this second centimeter, no, take 20. Table of 10. Then third centimeter, I'll take 30. Then this 4 centimeter, I will take 40. Then this 5 centimeter, 50. What am I doing? I am taking table of 10 because we decided in scale 1 centimeter is equal to 10 saplings. So 60, 70 and 80. Now this we decided our y-axis, okay, and here always take a 0 because it is a beginning point, starting point. Take a 0. Now we have name of 2 schools, Nutan and Bharat Vidyalaya. We have name of 2 schools. So 2 school. So let's this 1 centimeter, this यहाँ से ना 1 centimeter you have to leave. Always leave 1 centimeter from beginning. So this will be your first. So now we have name of 2 school, no? So 1 centimeter will be one building, 2 centimeter will be another building. Name of 2 school, and the first plant they are planting, it will be almond. Then leave 1 centimeter gap, and then second karanj. Take 2 centimeter. Then again leave 1 centimeter gap, and then neem. Then again take 1 centimeter gap, ashok. And again 1 centimeter gap, gulmohar. So now see what you have written. You have written name of sapling. So this heading you can write here sapling, and use your scale and show arrow. What is this arrow showing? This arrow is showing that trees are going from left towards right. And here we have written this numbers, no? What we have written? We have written the number of saplings. So you have to write that heading over here. Number of sapling. And show arrow towards upward. Why? Because it is moving from down towards upward. Correct. नीचे से ऊपर जा रहा है. So heading number of sapling and arrow. And ये left to right जा रहा है. So sapling. This much is done. Now first see almond, Nutan 40 and Bharat 42. So 10, 20, 30, 40. So 40 from here to here. So always first take dot. ये एक बिल्डिंग यहाँ तक बनेगा ना, तो टेक डॉट लाइक दिस एंड देन ड्रॉ अ लाइन. I am using pen. You all use pencil. Do not use pen. Okay. So this was Nutan Vidyalaya. Now I have to draw Bharat. So Bharat is how much? 42. So ये 40 हुआ ना. So then 40 के बाद, okay, one thing I forgot to mention. See, you have taken 1 centimeter equals to 10, 0 to 10, no? So इसमें जो 10 line है ना, so that means that one line is equals to 1. So second line is equals to 2, third line is equal to 3. Or when you will take 5, for example 0 to 5, if you are taking 5 for 1 centimeter, so your 2 line will be equal to 1. आपका 2 लाइन होगा 1. So then again 3 and 4, ये दो मिला के होगा 2. Okay, like this. So now, so yeah 42, no? So ये 40 के बाद 1, 2. So this 1, 2, this is your भारत विद्यालय. So यहाँ से सिर्फ बढ़ा देंगे and here 42. So now first draw this 40 and then draw this 42. Okay. So you have drawn Nutan Vidyalay's almond 40 and Bharat Vidyalaya. Okay. Now how we will identify, हमको कैसे पता चलेगा which one is Nutan and which one is Bharat. So yeah, in this scale one more important thing you have to mention. आपको आइडेंटिटी बनाना होगा. दैट ये जो फर्स्ट वन है नूतन, दैट इज प्लेन, एंड अनदर वन विच इज भारत, draw anything, like show any drawing. Okay, for example this. So I am using this drawing to show Bharat Vidyalaya. If you want, you can show shading also. It's up to you. Slight shading like this. But it will take a time. So it's better use like this. So this will differentiate that this plain one is your Nutan and this slant line is your Bharat Vidyalaya. Okay. So now we'll draw further. Karanj. So for Karanj, Nutan is 60. So after leaving one line, we'll start from here and 60. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 60, see, yeah, okay. And this 60. Use pencil and draw. Take very thin line, okay. Otherwise, don't do double, triple. Now, this was Nutan Vidyalaya and Bharat was 38. So 38, 10, 20, 30. So this is your 30, then 38 na. So after 38 is 0.5 is 35. Then after 0.5 count 3 line. 36, 37, 38. So 36, 37, 38. Then okay, and draw your symbol slant line. Now we will see neem. How much is neem? 72 and 60. So 72 and 60. Again leave one line here and 70. This is your 70. So 70 and this 70. What is it? 72. So after 70, take 1 and 2. Okay. 72. And this was 60. So 60 के लिए यहाँ पे ड्राइंग करो and then join. Use scale, do not do handwork, you might get wrong. So use your ruler. And then for Bharat, draw the identity. Now Ashoka. Ashoka is 15 and 25. So from here 15. So 1 centimeter is 10 and this 0.5 is 15. So 0.5, 15. And another was 25. So 25, no, 10, 20, 25. Join this. Okay. Then draw the Bharat Vidyalay's identity. Done. Now the last one, 42 and 40. So from here, your 10, 20, 30, 40. But first one was 42. So 40, 41, 42. Okay, and another was 40. So 40 and this was 42, no? So 2 line up. Good. So now this 40 and 42. Okay. And then the identity of Bharat Vidyalaya. See, done. Your first sums is done. See, what are the things important? First, you will draw y-axis standing line, sleeping line x-axis. Then decide your scale first. How much you will take here? Like for if you are taking 10. So table. So here you have to mention 1 centimeter is equal to 10 sapling. Then for two different buildings, decide some kind of symbol. How you will differentiate the two buildings. And mention name of all the headings. Whatever will be given here in top, that will be name of this building's heading. And here, whatever will be in the question, that will be here. So let's see our second sums. Okay, second sums. The table below shows the number of people who had the different juices at a juice bar on a Saturday and a Sunday. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. So two buildings what you have Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so these are the name of two buildings, Saturday, Sunday. And what they are doing, they are drinking juices, so fruit juices. And what, the number of people. Okay, so yeah, your heading will be number of people and arrow toward upwards. And in bottom you will write fruit because they are drinking fruit juice. Then name of the juices, sweet lime, oranges, apple, pineapple. From left hand side, from 0 leave one gap of 1 centimeter and then decide 2 centimeter for buildings. Then leave one gap 2 centimeter, leave one gap 2 centimeter. Okay, go on. And now the scale. Again, first see your sums. Now here, the highest number I can see 78. That means towards your round figure. आपको round figure अगर लेना है तो 80 लेना पड़ेगा round figure. So we'll take 80. So that means again table of 10 or 5. 5 we are not taking. 5 हम इसलिए नहीं ले रहे. See 5 लोगे ना तो this 80 will go here. डबल हो जाएगा. So आपका फिगर भी बड़ा बड़ा बनेगा. So it's better you take 10 centimeter. Now, so here prepare your scale. Scale is equal to 1 centimeter equals to 10 people on y-axis. This is your y. Okay. So now let's start drawing. I am using pen. You all please use pencil, sharp pointed pencil. So first one is 43, 59. So 43. 10, 20, 30, 40 and then 40, then small 1, 2, 3. This is your 43. Okay, so and another one is 59. So from here 50, 59 यानी 60 से एक कम. So 60 से एक कम. See, आप ना पहले ही before only you make one small dot. So this will give you an idea कि I have to start from here. मुझे यहाँ से start करना है. So wrong नहीं होगा. Sometime what happens जब हम scale रखते हैं ना तो हम confuse हो जाते हैं कहाँ drawing करना है. So before only draw one dot everywhere. Now you know from where to where you have to draw. From here to here you have to draw. Then okay, this one was Sunday and this is Saturday. Saturday is 43. So 43. Now okay, first let's finish our drawing. Now 30 and 65. So leave 1 centimeter gap. See this is my 2 centimeters dot. First one is 30. So draw a dot. It will make you easy. And another one is 65. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 60, 65. So this. Okay. So now easily you can draw. And this. Since you have marked full stop, no dot, so it becomes easy for you to draw. Okay. Then apple. Again leave 1 centimeter, mark your dot and then apple. Apple is 56, 78. So 56. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your 50. 56 ना. So 55. ये point हल्का सा लाइन आपका 55. तो उसके just ऊपर. This is your 56 and 78 चाहिए. So 50 ना तो ये 60 हुआ. 70. 70 के बाद 78 ना, so this is 75 and then small 3 lines 76, 77, 78. So slight marking you draw both the side. So now easily you can draw. It becomes easy once you have drawn full stops everywhere. Okay, now the last one, pineapple, 40 and 67. So first mark your dot and then 40. So 10, 20, 30, 40. So 40 and then what you have, 67. So 40 से ऊपर 50 से, sorry 40, 50, 60, 67 ना, तो 65 ये 0.5 हुआ ना, 65 and then 66, 67. So here also 67. Now you have marked everywhere, so use your full stops. See, it becomes easy once you have marked. Okay. पे अटेंशन, जो साइड नीचे है ना वहाँ ध्यान देना, कौन से साइड नीचे उसका लाइन छोटा आएगा, अदरवाइज बाय मिस्टेक आप लोग दोनों बड़ा कर दो. सो ऑलवेज फर्स्ट ड्रॉ द स्मॉलर लाइन एंड देन यू गो फॉर द बिगर बिल्डिंग. एंड नाउ जॉइन द एजेस. Since we have finished drawing the building, see a symbol, what symbol you have decided. You can decide any symbol you want. So, and this was your Sunday. So, sorry. Okay, done. Always notice that or pay attention that you have mentioned all the headings, this, and this. This gives you marks. Okay. Many students, they only pay attention in drawing this building, but this scales and this heading also give you marks. Then only your figure is perfect figure. Third sums, the following number of votes were cast at 5 polling booths during the Gram Panchayat election. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. Okay. Voting हुआ 5 अलग अलग polling booth में. Okay. So men and women. So 2 buildings heading will be men and women. And your this side heading will be number of person or number of voters. And bottom heading will be booth number. So first I have already drawn for you. This is your y-axis, x-axis, name of the booths. There are total 5 booths. So booth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, booth number, and here numbers of person. Now this, how I decided this. First, see your question carefully. Here I can see this numbers are in hundreds. ये 100 में है, means 3 digit में numbers है. Okay, unit tens 100. So उसमें से highest is what? Highest is 850. Now we cannot draw 100 over here. Okay, even if I take 10, hardly I will reach to 30. So even if I take 50, I won't be reaching towards 900. So it is better to take 100. 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter equals to 100. So in your scale you will write 1 centimeter is equals to 100 voters or 100 person. Okay, and then decide your symbol. Men will be plain building and women will be slant line building. So now in your y-axis, since you have decided 1 centimeter is equal to 100, you will mention 1 centimeter 100, 2 centimeter 200, 3 centimeter 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800 and 900. Why 900? Because the highest is 850. So थोड़ा उससे आगे लेना है. So 900. Now let's start drawing. So first booth में क्या बोल रहे हैं? Men 200, women 700. So how we will start? ये हमारा फर्स्ट बिल्डिंग है. सो डिसाइड योर डॉट्स एंड देन मैन 200. तो ये हो गया 200 एंड वुमेन इज 700. सो 2 3 4 5 6 7 यहाँ से. So I have taken my dots, then join those dots. Okay, use pencil, do not use pen. Okay, and this, the smaller one. Done. Now turn your page, graph book or graph paper, and draw the edges. First finish drawing the building and then draw slant. Now second booth 270 240. So अभी इस साइड बड़ी बिल्डिंग है. So 270. First decide your dots. Always leave gaps of 1 centimeter. Then 270. So 100, 200, 250, 60, 70. Okay, and then you have 240. So ये 200 हुआ, 0.5 से एक नीचे 240. So always first draw the bigger one. बड़ा वाला पहले बनाओ. ये हो गया बड़ा वाला. Then the smallest one. So small को पहले joint करो. It's shining. Okay, done. Now the third one is 560 340. So first decide your this, and now 560, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 0.5 यानी 550 and 560 both this side. Okay, and then 340. So ये जो छोटा वाला है 1 2 3 40 यानी 50 से एक लाइन नीचे. Okay, so one line below 50. जो 0.5 का स्लाइड लाइन होता है ना, वो हमारा 50 होगा. ओके, सिंस आई एम यूजिंग पेन, ये थोड़ा डार्क बन रहा है, बट प्लीज़ सी दैट योर फिगर शुड नॉट बी डार्क लाइक दिस. ओके, नाउ द फोर्थ सम्स 820 640. So 820. First decide your starting and end. 820. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. ओके, 800. उसके बाद 800 के बाद 1 and 2, 820. So this is your 820 and you have 640. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. ये 0.5 से एक नीचे 640. Then draw and then join. Okay. Now the fifth question, 850, 470. Okay. Fifth one I am using pencil. Let's see. Let's draw one with pencil. 850. So this 100. Okay. First decide your starting and end point. I hope you all can see with pencil. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 6, 7, 8, 800 and then 850. तो ये जो 0.5 है, this is your 850. Okay, and then next you have 470. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 का 0.5 and then 6, 5. No, after 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this you draw, done, and then this bigger one, and then okay, and then join them. So now since we have finished drawing our graphs, we will draw the symbol what we have decided. If you have decided slant line, draw slant. If you have decided straight, draw straight. I hope you all have understood. This is clear to you all. And here we come to our end of this sums. Both sums. The maximum and minimum temperature of 5 Indian cities are given in degrees Celsius. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. So Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Nagpur, Kapurthala. Maximum temperature, minimum temperature. Okay, so I have already drawn here a little bit. Your y-axis, x-axis, always leave 2 cm from both the side. Then before starting drawing, always decide your scale. And how you can decide your scale? You have to see which is the highest. Here the highest is 41. That means 41. No? You can decide 50, the highest, or 45. ये जो हाईएस्ट नंबर होता है ना उसके बाद का थोड़ा राउंड फिगर में या 0.5 में डिसाइड करने का. सो 45 दैट मीन्स ये 5 का टेबल बन सकता है. ओके, सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल राइट 1 centimeter इक्वल्स टू 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो हियर in y-axis I will take table of 5. 1 centimeter equals to 5 centimeters. So 5 and the 5, 5 to the 10, like this up to 45 I will take. Why? Because highest I have 41. So उससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा लेना है. Now let's start our sums. Our first sum says 35 and 26. So I am using pen, you all use pencil. First decide your starting and edge point. Now 35, no? So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So here comes 35 and then 26. So 26, so ये हो गया 20, 25. अच्छा, अब 26 फर्स्ट वाले लाइन में नहीं करेंगे. सी हमने 1 सेंटीमीटर को, दिस इज़ 1 सेंटीमीटर ना, 1 सेंटीमीटर को 5 लिया है. बट 1 सेंटीमीटर में 10 लाइन्स होते हैं. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. सो 10 लाइन होते तो उसको हमने 5 में लिया. दैट मीन्स हमारा 2 लाइन्स हुआ 1 के बराबर. देन अगेन 2 लाइन्स हुआ 2 के बराबर, 2 लाइन्स हुआ 3 के बराबर, देन 2 लाइन 4, 2 लाइन 5 लाइक दिस. सो here when you come to, यहाँ पे क्या था 26 था ना, सो इट वॉज 26, सो 25 तो यहाँ मिल गया, वी गेट 25 here, बट वॉट वी वॉन्ट 26. सो 2 लाइन after 25, 2 line will be your one counting, so this is your 26. Then from the decided edge draw your line, okay, and draw the edges. Okay, now Mumbai. How much is Mumbai? Mumbai is 32 and 25. So 32 and 25. So Mumbai. First decide your edge. Then 32. 5, 30. 30. Okay, after 30, 2 लाइन 1 के बराबर. 2 लाइन is equals to 1. So 4 लाइन हुआ 2 के बराबर. So that means this is your 32. 4 line is equal to 2. So this is your 32. Then you have 25. So 25 ready made. You do not have to bother. So direct 25. Then join your edges. And join. Use ruler, don't do handwork. And now Kolkata. Kolkata is how much? 37, 26. So your edges and then 37. So you have 35. 35. Then after 35, 2 line equals to 1. So 36, 37. तो यहाँ पे होगा आपका 37. And you have 26, so 25 and then 2 line equals to 26. See, I made mistake, so because I am using pen, I cannot erase it. So be careful, be sharp before you draw a line. Okay, now Nagpur. Nagpur is 41, 29. So 41, 40, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. But I have 41. So what we decided, 2 लाइन होता है 1 के बराबर. So 41. 41. And I have 29. So 10, 20, 25, 30 से 2 लाइन नीचे 29. And then use your scale. Okay, and the last one, Kapurthala, 37, 26. So 30, you decide your edges. 37. So 37, 35. 35 and then 2 line equals to 1. So 4 line equals to 37. 37 and 26 you have. So 25, this is your 25. So after 25, 2 line equals to 1. So this is your 26. And then draw. Please use scale, don't do handwork. Once you finish, use your symbol and show the symbols. See, it is very important because it will differentiate your two buildings. So, okay, now see, your heading city, temperature in degrees Celsius. The sums is over. Fifth sums is homework for y'all. Try to do it by yourself. I have given answer already. Sixth sums, the percentage of literate people in the state of Maharashtra and Gujarat are given below. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. Okay, so I have already drawn a matter. Now percentage is always calculated in 100%. परसेंटेज हमेशा दिस परसेंट, इसका मतलब हुआ 100. सो ऑब्वियसली ये सब परसेंटेज में होगा. सो हियर द हाईएस्ट इज 83. सो एटलीस्ट वी विल ड्रॉ अप टू 100. सो in Y, 10, 20, 30, all this is percentage. See, percentage of literate people and arrow towards upward and years. Okay, so this years 1971, 81. So from 0 leave 1 centimeter and 2 to for 1 years. Then decide your scale. 1 centimeter equals to 10% literate people. Also decide symbol for two buildings, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Now let's see. First one is 46 and 40. So decide your end. Then 46, 4.5 and then 1. Then another you have 40. So 40 is direct. Okay. Then you have 57 and 45. So 57. 57. 50, 55, then 2. And 45. So 40.5, 45. Okay. Draw the edges and close it. Then 1991. 65 and 61. So your end point 65. So 60, 65. And 61. So here only this is 60, so 0.1, 61. Close it. Then 2001. So you have 77, 69. So 77. Decide your edge. 77. So come to 70, then 0.5, 75, and then 6 and 2. 0.5 plus 2, 77. And 69. So 1 lesser than 60. Sorry, 70. 70 से 1 कम 79. So here you are joining your 79 and here this. Then 83 and 79. 83. So 80. 80 plus 3. 83. 79. So 79 means 1 lesser than 80. So 1 lesser than 80. Your drawing is done. Show your symbol. Done.